across your left. Our aircraft has 8 emergency exits. There are 2-door exits in the front and 2-door exits in the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are 4 overwing exits, 2 on each side. Each is equipped with an evacuation sign that opens automatically when open, and signs at each exit door may be used as rafts. An additional life raft is located in an overhead bin as noted on the safety information card. Red and white signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to all exits. Take a look and find your nearest exits, keeping in mind it might be behind you. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only when instructed by a crew member. Pull the red strap to open the container. Remove the pouch. Pull the tab to one side to remove the vest. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist and insert the end into the buckle. Pull to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab on the front or blow into the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The location and use of life vests for small children can be found in the safety information card. If needed due to loss of cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. Pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. To adjust, pull on the elastic tabs on either side. Make sure to adjust your mask before assisting a child or another passenger. Although oxygen is flowing, the bag may not inflate. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with lighted information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. Smoking of any kind, including the use of electronic cigarettes and vapor sticks, is not allowed on the aircraft. This includes the lavatories. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight to Denver.
Your tray table up, sweetheart. Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin lights will be dim for the duration of the flight. Should you need feeding light, and that's so sooner above your seat, you'll find a little button cleverly disguised with a picture of the light bulb.
attendants, prepare for takeoff.